Hello guys, in this video we'll make sound measurement project using sound sensor. So let's get started. First we'll take a on interval node. We'll keep its interval 0.1 second. Click on done. We'll take a analog read pin. To read the analog value of our sound sensor, we'll go to its property, input, we'll configure our ADC. We'll select input type pin number 13, click on add. In the output parameter we'll get its digital value, click on done. We'll take a set value node to convert the analog value into dB. We'll keep our variable name as var and we'll write here a expression, open bracket, one more open bracket, digital value divide by 2, bracket close, plus 203.2073, bracket close, and then again divide by 11.003. Its data type will be int32. Click on done. We'll take a display node. Connect with the flow. Here will display our variable. Sound dB plus append our variable in the string, right? We'll take a LCD node to display our sound sensor value on our LCD. Take a LCD clear node, connect with the flow, go to its property, go to LCD port, configure LCD port, select port I260, SCL pin 19, SDA pin 18. We have 2 rows LCD and 16 columns. Click on add and click on done. We'll take LCD write node, LCD print node, connect with the flow. In the LCD print node, we'll select our config node, block number 0, line number 0, and here we'll pass our expression sound dB in dB unit plus our variable var. Click on done, save the flow, verify the flow, and we are good to upload it. Let's go to a serial display. As we can see, at interval of 0.1 second, we got a sound value in dB unit.